Welcome to InterMine Python tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to interact with the InterMine Registry, which lists the different InterMines available on the web and contains information about the URLs, the datasets, and organisms you can find in each InterMine, and a few other things. First, don't forget to run pip install InterMine in your terminal, if you haven't already. Then, let's look at cells. In the first cell, we run from InterMine import registry, then registry get mines from an organism. Then we can see the output. For mine, fly mine, locust mine, and dye mine are all InterMines that contain information about fruit flies. Now that we have the mines, we can use getInfMine to get all information about a particular mine. Here we use fly mine as an example. Let's click it, and we can see the output. The output gives information about it, including its description and URL and API version and others. Next, we can use getData function to get data of fly mine. Then we can see the output. Good. This is the InterMine Python tutorial overview. Thank you for watching.